recording this video because I have now had 3 of these Dyson PureCool Tower Link air purifier fans, and the first 2 developed some weird noises after 2 or 3 months of use. And the first one was just really loud, sort of sounded like an airplane engine. And the second one had a kind of scraping, rattling sound whenever the item was oscillating. So this is my 3rd replacement from Dyson. It's straight out of the box. So I just want to document what it sounds like on day 1 at every level of speed. So let's go ahead and start. So at level 1 you can hear absolutely nothing. At level 2 you can only hear something if you're right next to it. Unfortunately there's builders outside, so you might be able to hear that. But at level 3, if you're sitting right next to it like I am, you can just about hear the air moving through it. It sounds like a very, very quiet air conditioning unit. Okay, and at level 4, it's the first time you can actually hear it. It sounds a little bit like, well, you can hear it. It sounds a little bit like an air conditioning unit on low. That's level 5. That's level 6. Seven, starting to get pretty loud. 8 sounds like a fan on high. 9 is quite loud. And 10 is really loud. Turn the oscillating on, and let's go back down. Yes, it's really only 4 or 5. I'd say 4 or 5 when you can actually notice any sound further away in the room. Level 2. Fortunately, there's builders again outside, but level 2 you can hear almost nothing, and level 1 is pretty much silent. You can't hear anything at level 1. So, yeah, this concludes this test, and hopefully we won't have to do another one when it starts making noise again later. Hopefully this one will do the trick.